I belong to no. With your lip, I take a drink, I hate it. I tell you what you want to hear, so I can catch my breath and step away. Think about what to say to you. Why come unglued? I don't know how to make it clear. I've tried it out all these years, but it doesn't seem to go through. Till now, I belong to no one, I belong to no one, no one. I'm not known to hold on, hold on, hold on to love. I belong to no that I belong to that.